It's not that God can't intervene in miraculous and wondrous ways. Of course he can. But we trivialize and cheapen his love and concern for this world when we cash it in for a discount on designer clothing. When George MacLeod led the movement to rebuild the ancient abbey on Iona and reestablish a religious community there in the midst of the Depression of the 1930s, he soon had many remarkable stories to tell of God providing them with just what was needed at exactly the right time. But it was always for the advancement of the kingdom, not for the replenishment of his wardrobe. George MacLeod himself had peerage. He was Lord MacLeod, a baron who had every legal right to be entitled. But as he organized the community life in Iona, he had everyone participate, not only in the daily prayers, but also the daily tasks. And he assigned himself day after day to one of the most lowly tasks, cleaning the toilets. He was following the one who came not to be served, but to serve.